Hi guys, good evening. So, I would like to talk about something. The graphic artist in me is itching to talk about yung branding, overall rebrand ng logo ko. So, sa mga di nakakalam, my logo before was very simple. Ano lang siya, it's a box. Ito siya. Pinahirapan ko yung sarili mag-edit eh. And so it's kind of simple. So it's just Dave with sharp geometrical shapes that is sharp. Tapos, ano siya, Dave? Dave. So, along the years, as I gain artistic inspirations and knowledge about what branding is and how it can help perceive or how can you bridge your brand to the audiences and connect with them instantly by just simply viewing your logo and understanding what you are and what do you do is something that I really wanted to develop. Hence, me, nung June, when I started creating this project, I was having sketches early on. And right now, as you can see, this is the end product. Toto pala, yan. This is the end product of my logo. Yan. So, let's dig deep yung sa mga bagay kung ano ba yung nangyari nung time na yan. So, we're now here at the Dave Logo Revise channel. So, ito yung early renditions ko. As you can see, I still take inspiration from my old logos. Ito yung logo na sinulat ko at the time because it was just adding curves around the previous logo. Pero along the lines, as I try to develop and sketch more, I got to think of the shape. Ano siya eh? It's like, yan, parang spear for me. And I think it fits yung logo. You know. Pero yun nga, nung I got to come up with this, natuwa ako. So, rekta digitalize tayo. So, along here, I created this one. Ito yung rough niya. As you can see, very sharp yung edges. And it looks very strong dahil sharp. So with that, I added edges. I softened the edges and then corresponded my palette. I think these palettes fully represents what living at the moment is like for me. And I do believe that this is a successful rebrand ng YouTube natin, not only our YouTube but our personal brand as well, because it shows that development and you can interpret it, but sa akin, my interpretation is that we all have downs and highs, lows and highs in our life. As you can see, down, up. For you to go up, you gotta go down. I think that's the most important part. So, lagay din tayo dito. So, it's the same as before. I've integrated my name around it. Kaso nga lang, with curves. Ayun. Yan. It's like that. Para sa akin. And, as you can see, ito is D. Tapos A. No. Ito pala yan. A. This is the A for me. And V. And E. Same goes. Pwede mo din siyang gawing D. A. V. Which is D. And then A. And then V. And then E. So it's a very flexible logo. For me, I'd like to have your opinion on it. Graphic designers, baka naman. So, yun lang. A brief session about this one. this one right here, and I'm very proud of the results kasi nga summer ko pa to ginawa, and I've been thinking about for quite some time to create. And I think this is a first of the many videos that I like to do. Very unstructured video, yes, and zero. I have more ideas to come, and it's better. Live at the moment. There are downs, ups, good things everywhere in our lives, but we are living, and that's the most important part. We are to grow, we are to make mistakes, and we are to learn around this life, and that's what I truly hold on to. And another topic is the branding. We develop, we change, and for the worse, for the better. But the best part is that we learn. And very hopeful ako that I got to develop more leading up to the half of the year. Kasi baka pa ako nung last 3 months. And that's for another video na. So, yun lang guys. I won't keep you waiting for so long. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Dave the graphic designer out.